Welcome back. I'm here with Asteria hair again. So this is today's package. I'm seeing the wig first, of course, which we're gonna get into in a few. I got some goodies here. So I got a pair of lashes, I got the edge brush and comb, a edge melt band, which is, you know, really handy, a pair of HD wig caps, I got a scrunchie, and then lastly I have a drawstring bag. So let's go ahead and get into today's wig. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know if you know, but Asteria is literally that company when you're looking for like the neatest constructed wig and pre-style wigs. They go hard on those. Like, look at this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is their ready to go curly pre-braided lace front wigs, and it has invisible HD lace once you install it. So this is completely beginner friendly. As you can see, they did everything already for you. It's pre-styled. It's so neat. Like, it has the baby hairs, everything intact. It's laid. The lace looks amazing. It's pre-plucked, pre-cut. Look at that gorgeous pre-bleach lace. Has 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and this adjustable elastic band as well for security. This is a full-on ear-to-ear 13x4 lace front wig. As you can see, the texture is curly. Okay, it's 24 inches long, and what I love about this wig is how full it is. It's 250% in density. Like, look at that. This is so fluffy and it's really soft, guys. 24 inches of goodness. So you could go ahead and adjust this to how tight you want it to be or loose. And so I'm just adjusting that before I slip it onto my head. You know, fix the baby hairs, because, you know, after it being in the packaging and everything, you know, it can get like, the box can probably shape it differently. So all I need to do is just fix those. Amazing so far. I feel like just slipping it on, everything is super laid. Yeah, I don't need any adhesive for this, and I absolutely love that. I'm just gonna go ahead, get some gel and form the sides here and get my powder, and it's gonna be an amazing glueless install. I'm just gonna tap some face powder on the portion that is looking a little casty. This is plucked to perfection. My listener, at this point, I know I always say it, I sound like a scratch CD, but like, the level of quality right now is just, it's just so amazing. Like, it is simply amazing. I'm gonna tap some right here as well. So I did this first because, you know, I don't want to have to do it after I apply the product to kind of finesse the edges, so because then it will be like wet. So I'm applying this first, so just make sure that everything blends down nicely. But wow, just wow. Okay, wow. Like, the quality right here, it's amazing.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours.
And I'm guessing if you don't want the baby hairs, you could feel free to just completely like brush them back, but I feel like they add an edge to this specific hairstyle that, you know, the wig came with. And if you want to get this wig, and of course you will have to, when you're ready to wash it, then you can take down the hairstyle, but you know, at least you know that you have a really bomb wig, like quality wise, like the lace, the hair, everything is absolutely top tier with this with this wig. Everything.
Before, fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
And the hair is already so nicely defined. Like, that's just amazing. Okay, that is it. Like, straight out the packaging, everything is chef's kiss. Look at that. No space. You're not seeing through the hair whatsoever. It has a really nice bones. It doesn't have any smell to it. That's like, you know, look at this. Look at this goodness. Glueless. Completely white. Yeah, Asteria hair, you did it again. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Like, what? Let me know what you guys think. You know, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below, as well as all the specifications. You know, if there any sale or deal going on right now, any discount code, that will be listed down below. But they really outdid themselves with this. They're really the GOAT when it comes on to a top quality, customized, ready to go, ready to wear kind of wig. They get it. Like, their quality is unmatched, and I highly recommend. Like, highly recommend. Literally an install that can take you only 5 seconds. You know, the most time consuming part of this install was really just refinessing the baby hairs, and that's understandable. That's it. And just, you know, applying a little face powder to the front. You guys saw it. That's really it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this very convenient and informative. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, share it, like it, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You guys know I'm always putting you on to some of the best hair looks and wigs and stuff. So yeah, y'all don't want to miss out on when I have a new look for you guys. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Okay, yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. That's it for today's look. I'm feeling it so much, but yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.